Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I want to present interesting lecture on the economic growth and development. So first come to development side. What mean development? There are so many definitions about development and still the definition of development is confused. But different people present the development in different way. The first one is any positive change is called development. Unsatisfied situation, change into satisfied situation is called development. Per capita income increasing is called development. Human index development is called development. Human index, their life expectancy, per capita income and literacy rate are included. Economic growth increasing along with institutional changes and technology improvement is called development. Poverty eradication is called development. Problem solution is called development. Prosperity bringing in the country is called development. So there are so many definitions for development, but the well-known definition is that where the people are satisfied. So unsatisfied situation changing into satisfied situation is called development. Economic growth. Now come to economic growth. What mean economic growth? Economic growth means more output. When we produce more output, the economic growth of the country will be more. Economy consists of three major sectors: primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary links with agriculture and minerals, while secondary links with industry, but tertiary links with services. So in the country, three major sectors are working. When you want to improve the economic growth of a country, you will improve to these sector, and without this sector, the development of a country is impossible. These all three sectors link with different university of the country, and without this university development, the economic growth of the country is impossible. In Imran Khan era, they have not provided more fund to university, and because of this, the value of these university day by day decreasing, and they have played no role in research and development. So they affect the growth of the country badly. There are producers which produce the output, improve the economic growth of a country. So it is the duty of the government to focus on every sector of the economy, to give facility to producer on low cost for their production. Farmer, sick industry and small industry should be exempted from the tax. Electricity price should be low for well launching. Road facility should be provided to producer of the country. On the other side, inflation of different commodity of the country should be controlled, and balance should be kept between consumer surplus and producer surplus. Agriculture industry and services play a great role in the economic growth of the country. Good judges, bureaucrats, executive should be selected for the country. On the time of selection, checking is required. Corrupt people should be arrested on the spot and terminated from their services. Strong and honest policy should be established in the country. Strong relation kept with the neighbor country. These all factors affect the economic growth of the country positively and negatively. It concludes that there are so many factors which affect the economic growth of the country. The well-known factors are the agriculture, industry, services, relation with neighbor country, good executive selection of the capable judges and bureaucrats of the country. According to situation, tax imposement, facility provision to producer, protection to producer and consumer, etc. These all sectors push the economic growth of the country and bring prosperity in the country. So now you have seen this thing that there are economic growth. There are so many factors which affect the economic growth of the country. Among these, there are farmer. If we provide free input to farmer through this way, the production of the farming community will be increasing, and there the economic growth of the country will be also improved. So if there are industrialists and you not impose more taxes on those people, so they will play a great role and they will produce more commodity, and through this way the export will be also improved and they will earn balance on trade automatically will be improved. So there are other sector, if you provide good roads facility to the people, through this way they also play a great role in the economic growth of the country. So if you provide some facility to consumer and you control the inflation of the country, through this way the consumer surplus will be increasing and the people, the prosperity in the country will come. So it was a short lecture on economic growth and development. So now I want to conclude this lecture.